Member of the National Assembly, Tobie Aupindi explained to the learners that independence is not only about freedom, but also about the future of young Namibians.
I was never privileged to have to be in a nice school. I was brought up in the bush when people were fighting for Namibia. Now we are talking about independence. But even when I was in those bush, I never gave up working hard. I was studying hard. I didn't even used to have pens and papers. We used to write on the floor, and then you erase what you have written and you start writing again something new. And it was a war. It was not peace like now. So I want to tell you that no matter how difficult it is for you right now, I want you never to give up like me. Never give up. Are we clear on that? Yes. What did I say? Never give up. Never ever give up, even if it's tough.
He urged learners to take their education seriously and to respect those guiding them.
I want you to be serious with your classes. Are we clear? Yes. Be serious with your classes. Be serious with your teachers, okay? We need to respect the teachers. We need to respect the parents. We need to respect our principals.
Dr. Aupindi also emphasized unity and the importance of supporting one another and encouraged both boys and girls to believe in their full potential.
Do you know what it means to have a woman president? It means that all our people, the boys and the girls, are equal. Okay? The boys and the girls are equal. And they can all achieve anything you want to achieve in your life.